Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
This battery charger has saved me the hassle of having to replace my batteries all the time. We in our household use a lot of batteries in our electronics, and it became frustrating to us that we always had to buy new batteries. This charger really has come in handy. It charges up to 4 batteries at a time. It charges AA and AAA batteries. It has an indicator light to show you that it's charging. If there's something wrong with your battery, it also lets you know by blinking. It also will charge just 2 batteries at a time, which is really nice. It's been super handy just to be able to have full charged batteries for all of our devices and not have to worry about not being able to use a remote or a control because we don't have a battery. It's become a lifesaver as far as time and money in our families.
And that's my point of view.